We're working on our UI skills with Kivy, and this is what Chat GPT recommended we tried to develop a game app. It wasn't very specific about this one. It said it could be a game like tic-tac-toe, a more complex game. Instead of trying to come up with something random myself, I figured I would ask Chat GPT for 3 games we can build with Kivy, and it recommended tic-tac-toe again, hangman, and a memory match game. We're going to try to build all 3. Let's start with tic-tac-toe. Let's see if this works. Process finished, nothing ran. Let's see. I think we need if name equals main. There we go. We got reset and if name equals main. Here's everything we need to run the code. Is this tic-tac-toe? I don't know. Let's try again. Here's a much more descriptive explanation of how I'm hoping the tic-tac-toe game will look. Okay, this left some work for us to do here. Wow, it got so close. 74 lines. Buttons dot text maybe? There could be a lot more in this line. Wow, we have a working tic-tac-toe game. I'm not sure how it works, why it works, but it works. So I'm pretty happy with this. Amazing.